Podcast is about how to name covalent compounds. And we know from looking at the periodic table that primarily covalent compounds are nonmetals combined with other nonmetals. Nonmetals are over on this side of the table. On the other side of the metalloid strip, which is right here, and metals are over here on the left side of the table. So, least electronegative element is always first in the compound. Remember, electronegativity is the ability to attract electrons. Electrons are shared in this type of bond as opposed to taken in an ionic compound. When the formula contains oxygen and a halogen, the halogen is written first. Remember, halogens are this group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and the ones below it. Both elements are in the same group, the one with the higher periodic number. Higher period number is written first, meaning farther down in the table, because it is less electronegative. The first element uses its neutral element name, and the second uses IDE. And the prefix are, according to here, 1 is mono, 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, and 10 deca. So, let's look at an example. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur is just the name of the element. Dioxide, here's the name of the element here, oxide. And di indicates that it's 2, so this one will be SO2. Sulfur trioxide, again, just the neutral name of the element. Oxide, this is oxygen with IDE added to the end, and tri for 3. Dinitrogen monoxide, so even though we add something to the front of it, it still has the whole element name of nitrogen. So 2 nitrogens and 1 oxygen. NO, sometimes known as NO, is nitrogen and oxygen. We don't use mono when it's the first element, only when it's the second. So it'll be nitrogen monoxide. NO2, nitrogen, there's only 1, so we don't put a mono in front of it. Oxygen, there's 2, so nitrogen dioxide. And then 2 in front of the nitrogen, so dinitrogen tetraoxide. And 2 in front of the nitrogen, so dinitrogen again. 5 for the oxygen, so pentoxide. And that is how you name covalent compounds.